Thanks, Sangam. Thanks, Suman, for that talk. So yeah, before going ahead, let me welcome our co-host, Pooja Dattarange. She has more than 4 years experience and she is currently working with VU Clip as a senior system executive in Eternal Solution. Highlights of her experience include content system management engineering, malware analyst in IT security organization, support process management, SME for Dell in hardware supply chain project, leading and managing teams for country level internal business support.
Thank you so much, Chinmay, for this introduction.
No issues, Pooja. Over to you.
Thank you. So, going ahead, guys, we have a next speaker, Sangam Biradar. So, Sangam is a Docker community leader and Okito Bangalore community lead, also a traffic administrator. He has published K3 courses under the title Lightweight Kubernetes with packed publication. He is a blogger at the www.engineitiops.com, where he mostly writes about the CNCF, ops, open sources, then projects, GoLab Dockers, then OAT Kubernetes, and Linux kernel. He provides training as well as consultancy around the Golang, Docker, and Kubernetes. You can check his some free content created by him on the Gopher Labs. So over to you, Sangam.
Is it visible? My screen?
Yes.
Hello, everyone.
Yes, Sangam, it's visible.
Yeah, Sangam here. Thanks for introduction. So my name is Sangam Biradar. You can follow me on various social media, Twitter or GitHub or anywhere you want. So my today's topic will be happy helming with Octato. So Sagar explained very well. I enjoyed another session on same topic Helm. So I'll be more talking about like how to integrate Helm with Octato or how to run your things using dashboard or using in commands easily. So what is Octato? Octato is a tool which for a Kubernetes developer where they can build their application top of directly on Kubernetes or they can test it. And for one of the best thing I found out about Octato is you don't need Docker or Kubernetes installed on your particular machine. So that's why I personally use Octato. Uh, so let's discuss more what is like quick introduction and then move to demos. So how this Octato works? So we have something called Octato CLI. What Octato will do is whatever your source code, it will push this synchronize your code and everything changes to the cloud, Octato cloud. So what happened whenever do you change in like in code, Octato synchronizer automatically synchronize your code and test. And if there is a error, it will show the logs on your terminal. If there is no error, you will get directly whatever the changes. So where this concept, why I like this Octato tool and what is the why you need to use. So let's say I want to code, build a container, deploy and test again and again a multiple time. So what happened is whenever this uh, container you build like rapidly again and again, so it's very difficult for the developer. It's very difficult to developer to build and put a docker build command again and again, build your containers, build your artifacts. So it's very difficult for a developer hectic to painful cycle to like do again and again. That's where this concept came. I want to code, I want to build and everything in with one command and over the cloud. So if you are, when it's you build this over the cloud, so there is no like no burden on your particular host to run. So currently in my PC, I'm using Octato. I'm able to run Helm. I'm able to run Docker application using Octato CLI. So Octato works with any of the Kubernetes thing. Let's say Minikube, K3s, Kind, like clouds, any Kubernetes manifest, Helm, serverless function, OpenFaaS. So you can use this Octato directly on your particular mobile phone. So we, one of a community member who uh, developed this thing, and you can use this particular thing, and you can directly run, you can see your cluster indirectly on your mobile. So what is the conclusion behind this? Container and Kubernetes has taken deployment technologies very to next level, but what is the practice for the developer is quite uh, not in the same speed as a production and developer or staging. So that's where this Octato help you to fast your developer productivity, fast your inner loop, so you can build directly your application top of your Kubernetes. So let's say you have three uh, developer staging and production thing, where in development you have one namespace. So Octato use a namespace concept as a, you can use as a different staging. You can share these namespaces with any user, and you can easily manage this particular thing with, you can manage a particular namespaces. You need only a GitHub credential. So let's move on next slide. So how to install this Octato on your particular Windows or your particular machine, Windows, or if you are using a Linux. So you need to just do one thing to you just need to do a one thing, just copy this command line and install Octato CLI. After that you need to, and it's open source tool, you can go and check the repo, and you just need to, after that you need to give Octato login. It will automatically log in your account. First you need to go to cloud.octato.com, you create account, and after that it use a git credential to create. After that you just need to put Octato login. And there is one question in chat, I will see how it's like Octato different than git pod and so git pod don't give you a Kubernetes thing. So Octato provide a Octato cloud, which give you to able to run your whole application cluster namespace, all the Kubernetes feature into dashboard. You have a separate dashboard, so you can use that. That is a difference between like Gitpad is a like IDE tool. So we are already integrated this Octato with VS Code. There is a plugin, you can go and install the extension. So you can install this and you can synchronize up your environment and directly launch your application to Octato Cloud. So this is like difference. I have already tested on Git pod. Uh, so let's move to next one. So you can clone, and after cloning you can run any Kubernetes project. And Octato has own manifest. You can check on Octato documentation. So Octato, what is different thing? Octato has a dashboard. If let's say I have, you can manage everything, deploy everything using a dashboard. There is no need to use like if something is running and you want to update, there is in dashboard you will get logs and you can check and you can share this with your developer. I think it's good tool for developer. If you want to run a Docker Compose file on directly on Kubernetes, I will say there is one feature called Octato Stack. So what you need to do, just you need to use Octato Stack command line, and you can run this particular whatever your YML file. Let's say I have voting application. So I can directly do thing like I can use this Docker Compose file, and I can run this file on directly. So you can you can change into code, and you can just put Octato stack deploy. It will automatically synchronize, and Octato use a build kit as a service. So that's why it's create a image more faster, like build image more faster, and give you experience of automation, where you can store your or your images into registry. So you can just Octato stack deploy dash dash build flag you can use, and it will build a whole your Docker Compose file top of a Kubernetes. You can use Octato uh, dashboard, where you can run this open fast predefined things in there is. Is it visible screen?
Yes, Suman.
Yeah, is it my screen is visible?
Yes, Suman, it's visible.
No, I'm Sangam here. So sharing is pause. Okay, is it
It's on a next step. That slide. Okay,
okay?
now it's deploy open as.
Okay, let me check once. Okay, so now is it visible? Okay, so
Yes.
Octato has a dashboard where you can just predefine. Already we configured OpenFast movies, like different application. You just need to click and you need to change a file. I will show in like demo session. So you can run any kind of, let's say you want to integrate a different application, you can integrate into your particular thing. So let's move on next. So after that you will get this kind of dashboard, where you can see which application is running, your logs, and what is the replica set. It will automatically host your web app directly. It will give one link, and you can see your application running. You can just change, and Octato give you a free kind of resource to you, around 20 GB of space for every namespace. And those who want to learn Kubernetes, I will say the Octato is the best tool. You can run anything, and you can learn if you don't have Minikube or another tool, paid tool. So I will say it's great. So let's see what is Helm and how this we are integrating with Helm. So if Docker is aeroplane, then Kubernetes airport. Then so what is a Helm? So what is the Helm? So Helm is a package manager where you can install a whole Kubernetes as one thing. Uh, so if the Kubernetes is operating system for the internet, then Helm is a package manager for that OS. Let's say I want to able to deploy, share my application everywhere consistently as a one component, as a one part. So Helm is the best option for you. So what is the now recently Helm 3 is released. So we will see the bit about what is the new thing in Helm 3 and Helm 2. So Helm is now adapted to the client only architecture. Before in Helm 2 architecture, there are Helm 2 architecture client is called as Helm, and the server called as a Helm server is called as Thriller. So in next update, and like Helm version 3, they removed a Thriller part, and now Helm is only client architecture. Client only architecture is following, and there is a few changes in Helm. and Octato support a particular Helm. So let's move. So also I want to show one application where I have a Redis as a backend and PHP application, a book as a front end. And after that, user will come and enter their name. And after that, when he hit a particular submit button, so for after that, your name will be added into guest book. So I have created this simple. So this is my YML files. I have 6 YML file. Two YML file for one is deployment, a guest book. Another is a service YML, and two for Redis master. One deployment and service. And I have two things. One slave deployment and service. So most of the I'm using deployment and service YML files. So this is my Helm chat. You can go to this particular link, github.com octato-india/helm101. So this is my Helm chat where I have pasted my whole code. So let me show you demo. I'm stopping screen. I will switch the screen. Let me share again. Let me increase the size. Yeah. So yeah. So you can see here I have a repo where I have, let me show Helm. Okay, clear screen. So I have this particular Helm reports. I have published my Helm on this particular link on GitHub. I created one Git page where I have pasted, I have created my home chat so I can easily integrate into Octato. So now I will just run this thing. I will give Helm install demo osconf octato gitbook. So I will enter this thing. So after that, it will run Helm everything into this particular, and I have logging my Octato account. So I will go and I will check into Octato dashboard. Let's see the Octato. I will go to Octato, and when I click, I already log in. So this is like already this will from my current line, it will take that application. Now you can see slave is running with 2 replicas. You can see the logs here. You can see the logs of master thing, and after that you can see that this application is running, and it will automatically show the stage tests, and you can go and show detail. You can destroy from here, and I will say I will just click this thing, and now I can see this guestbook application, and now I can just type anything and it will add anything. Let me share this particular thing. uh, Let me share this thing where you can test it, this application. So in chat window I am just pasting this link, so you can test this application and you can see the your name on screen. So can you share this link to anyone? Share this link from to YouTube. So this is a simple
Yes.
application, guestbook application, where you can automatically do. So one more thing, I will destroy this thing. So I will destroy this application now. Let's see. I will destroy this whole application, and I want to show I have deployed this application using command line, but I am not expert into that. I am let's say I have startup or something, just I want to manage directly. So you can go to setting, you can pick any of the Helm repo link, copy the Helm repo link. So I have copied this from Azure Marketplace. I have copied one where there are already Helm. So I will go, I will show you one application. So if I click, I will show one application open source. So if I go to this, I will pick this application. After that, you will get this YML files, everything into dashboard. So you don't need to just copy the Helm chats, and after that integrate whatever you need changes. And there is a Octato chart a manifest file. Read that manifest file, go through it, and you can just do research around it and change accordingly with that Octato documentation. And I have already created here. So I will just click on deploy button now. So now I am not doing anything from command line. I will just copy it, and you can see this application is now in process. It's creating a resource what they need what kind of YML file volumes it will create. It will show how much space it's taking for running this application. You can see the logs, what's happening in log. So this all thing is there, so you can easily run. So what is the benefit of using Octato is that nowadays when you run the, if you want to optimize the cost, so Octato give you a cloud with all the Kubernetes thing. So you can easily reduce your cost, and there is a lot of feature in Octato that will give a developer to run their application. So it's good for the developer side perspective, and it's easy to maintain. You can run your application. And now I can see this application. Let's see another application after this. So this is a open source HR management software. So I have not done anything. I just went, I have created, I have copied the Helm chat link, and I have automatically this Octato copied that all home Helm chat into dashboard. When I go to dashboard, there is lot of, you can see lot of things I have tried in few months back. Redis I have tried, RabbitMQ, Prometheus, like whatever you want, like OpenFast, uh, Node Exporter, Nginx. So you can go and integrate this thing with your own Octato dashboard, and you can easily use n number of time whenever you need, and you can make a certain changes. So let me, like, you can jump into like another namespace. There you can create another namespace, and let's see, this is another namespace. You can share this namespace to other people. So I will deploy one more application here. So let me run one application. Let's see what I can run here. I want to, like, RabbitMQ is there. So let me use this. Let me use integrated one app, which is Octato integrated internally directly. So you can use that. So let me show you integrated one, OpenFast. Where is OpenFast? OpenFast. So this is automatically integrated with Octato. So you can go, you can change this password, whatever thing you want to, size and resources, and you can just click on deploy. Let's see, I will switch the my namespace, and I will see this previous. You can see now, which is like in this Sangam 14 namespace. I have already launched my application. You can see now I can log in. You need to put a password. For password, I need to go to logs. I will get a password. So let me get a password. So let me run this thing to my terminal. So I'm not using anything like, I'm not installed even Kubernetes on my PC. I'm not installed Docker. Still I'm able to run commands on my terminal, which is help of Octato CLI. So I got my password. So I will just do my particular. I will just go to my this application dashboard. I will copy the password and just click into login, and now you can see the dashboard which is running is open source HR management software. I can run, I can update this Helm chat, and I can maintain these applications. And let's see another example. So this application is running. Let's see, I have run another application. So I will go this OpenFace application. So it will ask password. So whatever manifest password you give, you can give a credential. This application will run automatically. This is about. Let's move to next thing.
Okay, Sangam, would you like to take some questions in
Yeah,
between?
yeah. I will check
Uh,
YouTube stream. I will take a question from YouTube.
there is
Yeah.
just one question. Is there any other tool similar to OK2?
No, there is no tool to similar to Octato, and I see a lot of question Git pod and VS Code. Like VS Code don't have the Kubernetes thing. You don't have a volume and what Kubernetes all Kubernetes feature. And I see one of the question about control plane. So there is something called cross plane. If you check, which give you a Kubernetes cluster cross plane, you can check. So Octato is integrated with cross plane. You can use that thing, but Octato use directly whole your uh, Octato use whole your Kubernetes API, which is integrated with a build kit. So it will build an image, and Octato integrated with Helm 3. So you can easily run any kind of Helm 2 version or Helm 3.
Okay.
Even you can use a Helm 2 or an Helm 3 plugin, and you can just upgrade your Helm chat and new release. Any other question?
Uh, as of now, no. So, if in case of any, we'll suggest you please you can comment to our in our YouTube.
Yeah, so let's me move on.
So we are running a bit high with the time.
Thank you for this, and I have started new thing called Kube Daily. You can I have already copied in streaming, so you can join there. I'll be doing a lot of Kubernetes daily 101 things where uh, you can join and you can discuss there. So thank
Yes.
you.
Hello, Sangam. Thank
Yeah.
you so much. Moving ahead. So now we have our next speaker, Arun.